Should you start a YouTube channel? Does it even make sense in 2018 to start a YouTube channel? I mean, why should you start a YouTube channel? It's a great question, and I've got some answers coming up.
Brian G. Johnson!
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new and you want to grow a YouTube channel, well, stake your claim. Amplify your message by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. Why should anybody want to start a YouTube channel? I called on my buddy Justin over at Primal Video. It's that away. He's got some great information. Justin.
Thanks very much for having me on the channel, Brian. It's a pleasure to be here. So why create a YouTube channel? Well, it's an awesome way to help people. It's an awesome way to connect with others and to build a business. Yes, your YouTube channel can be a business. So for me, working in video production, what I actually saw was that there was a lot of people that I was creating content for, and they weren't really releasing any more content beyond the content that I was creating for them, working in that space. But the clients that I actually taught and trained up on how to create the videos themselves were the ones that were seeing the real results and the real growth in their business and their brands. So that's really what we decided to do, to scale that and to open source that and open it up so that we could help a lot more people build their business and brand online. Now, I've got to say though that YouTube is definitely not for everyone. It does take work, it does take commitment and consistency, and it also takes a focus on continued improvement. And that's a big one. You're not gonna jump straight in at a master creator level and expect huge results immediately. It is a growth or a progression over time. But if you do push through in spite of all of that, then the benefits can be huge. So if you're considering starting out on YouTube and starting a YouTube channel, then there are 5 key reasons that I'd recommend starting right now. Reason number 1 is that it's definitely not too late to start. So you might have heard that YouTube is full, it's crowded, it's hard to make it on YouTube because there's already people talking about pretty much every topic out there. But your unique voice, your personality is going to resonate with people like you. So just make sure that you are talking to a niche audience. Don't try and talk to everyone. You talk to everyone, you talk to no one. Make sure that you're specific on the content you're creating and have a focus around the content so that people will come for the content and for you and for your personality and know what to expect. So really, it's all about niching down or niching down. Reason number 2 is organic traffic. Now, there is no other platform out there like YouTube, at least in my opinion, especially when it comes to organic traffic. What other platform out there could you upload a video to and still be getting over 1,000 views per day, 2 to 3 years after uploading it? So if you put in the hard yards up front and you're able to optimize your content, then each video has the potential to send you traffic for years to come. And then as your content library grows, your channel and your audience is gonna grow along with it. So for us with our channel, our main focus is on organic traffic. We actually, currently, at the time of recording this video, don't do any paid traffic. So we've built an engine around growing an audience based around organic traffic and creating videos for serving people, for helping people with a specific topic or a pain point or what they're searching for on YouTube. And that is giving us views 2 to 3 years later as well after creating the video content. So with that organic traffic that you're able to create, you can use it in your business to drive it to anything that's important to you. Things like product sales or services or affiliate links. There's a heap of options out there, which really leads us into the next point, which is the 3rd reason you want to join YouTube and start right now is monetization. So I might be a little biased here again, but there is no better way to create an organic traffic generation engine, which really becomes the hub for multiple income streams and opportunities that continue to multiply as you grow. So every new video that you release, each new piece of content is going to help scale all of those views, which then means that you can move people and move that traffic around to where you want them to go. And the more you do, the more everything scales. So that's everything from YouTube ads to affiliate income to sponsorships and partnerships as well, speaking gigs, or even building your own membership site where the people that really want more from you and want more hand-holding or step-by-step walkthroughs on the content around what you're doing, you can create membership sites and things like that to help monetize as well. So there are a lot of possibilities out there for monetization. Reason number 4 is to grow a community and a brand. So even if you don't have a current business model yet, you can still start growing a community right now. And this community can support you as long as you continue to support them and adding value and helping them with your content. And that doesn't mean to say you need to be creating educational content. You can help people and build a community around entertaining content as well. So this really applies to any type of content that you're creating. You can build a community around it, like a support network, or people that are just interested in the same topics. So this is not limited based on the type of channel you're creating. And obviously building and having that community there as well. When you do have products and you do have membership sites and those sorts of things, then you can leverage that community to help grow the rest of your business. And reason number 5 is that it's really not as hard as you think. The key things are to keep consistent, to keep trying, to keep failing, and to learn and build processes around everything. A great tip is to batch produce your content. So you just want to make things easier for you around this YouTube game. You don't want to jump straight in at a level 10 as soon as you start out and expect to do everything perfect and everything awesome. You're going to start out at the ground level, level 1, where you're releasing just your first video. Take it one step at a time, but be relentless about improving every single time. Even just a 1% improvement each day or each week or each video is going to compound exponentially over time. And probably the most important thing here is that everything you need is online already. So check out Brian's channel. Obviously we're on Brian's channel. It's looking good, Brian. I like what you've done with the place. Check out Nick Nimmon's channel. Check out Roberto Blake's channel, Sean Cannell's channel. That's a hard one to say. But there's a lot of people out there that are giving you content and helping you with this. So take these shortcuts, learn from those who are sharing their lessons and sharing what worked and what didn't work. They're doing this to help put you on the fast track. Now, this is my first appearance on Brian's channel, and this video is really the why start a YouTube channel. We do have another one coming out at some time in the future talking about the how with some tips from what we've implemented to help grow your YouTube channel. So keep an eye out from that, and back to you, Brian.
Hey, Justin, thank you so much for that awesome information. Hey, you know what? If you want to grow on YouTube, well, stake your claim, amplify your message by clicking on the yellow B to the G icon below. You'll subscribe, I'll continue to share the strategies and tactics that have allowed me to grow, and you'll feed a poodle. I got 2 and they're hungry. I'll see you next time. You dig?